Everyone, this is my very first Android app. I call it Shufflette, which is a portmanteau of the words shuffle and silhouette. So the way it works is it's meant for creating silhouettes, and you just shuffle the parts together. So the idea is that every time you hit the back button, it's going to randomly select a group of parts. And so what you can do with these is just take those pieces. You can pinch zoom out if you need more space. And yeah, just use this to come up with your own robots or whatever you can think of. Here we are. So if you're using just, if you're using individual fingers, it can take up to 5 multi-touch. So you can drag up to 5 pieces at a time. And then to rotate a piece, just use 2 fingertips, like so. If 2 pieces are very, very close together, then what it does is when you click, it's going to prefer whichever one that you're clicking right on top of. So as you can see, it's not selecting that one right. So it can actually kind of distinguish based on the crosshair. The crosshair is kind of the tiebreaker. But the other thing is that zooming in on this, if I just want to, there's this little circle that you can see. So what this circle does is the circle allows me to. I don't have to have that crosshair right on it. So it's like based on where the tip of your finger is, it will. It's semi-intuitive. Yeah, so it's just escape, 2-finger dragging, and then yeah, you can just begin dragging out your own. Just use it to create your own robots and stuff. And it's the idea is that you just have to make do with whatever pieces it gives to you, like that. And yeah, so it's like I can, if you are having difficulty placing like pieces when they're really, really small, just put them all in that little area, then just pinch zoom on that, and then there. Now it's easy to position them. There we are, and we zoom out. See the whole. Oops. No, there is no undo on this thing. It is very rudimentary. And as you can see, there's hardly any interface. But the nice thing about it is it loads very quickly. It boots fast. It's stable. And I mean, come on, it's basically like a sketchbook tool. If you don't know what to sketch, then use this tool to give yourself some initial ideas, and then afterwards, then you can actually go in with your sketchbook and use this kind of as a jumping-off point. So if you just want to slide a piece, just use 1 finger. If you want to rotate it, then just use 2. So as you can see, I'm just kind of. I'm not even sitting with this thing, properly. It's kind of sitting on my desk, and I got the camera all the way over there. But if you want to take a screenshot, then just hold, like this is your app switching button. So normally what you do is you just do a long press on this, and then it will take a snapshot and store it to the SD card. So use the built-in Android snapshot. If you don't know how to activate it, Google it. It's in your settings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's available on the Google Play Store. The first version is free. I don't know. We'll see how this app does. I might add other shapes besides rectangles, rounded shapes, silhouettes of engine blocks, and I don't know, jet engines and tires and stuff like that. So that's the idea. I want to have it just randomly throw out pieces at you. Just hit escape, right? You want to quit? Just hit the home button. Bang, you're out. And of course, it seems to remember the state of things. So if I rotate this and go home, and then jump back in. There, right? So it's like it's a silhouette sketchbook is what it is, and pretty simple. Anyway, talk to you later.